Need to block someone on Instagram fast? Or maybe you're ready to unblock them in 2026? Instagram updated a few things, and most people are confused. Let me show you the exact step-by-step method the right way. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where we simplify social media and help you stay in control. Step 1. Open Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. This works for both iPhone and Android users. Stay on the home screen to begin. Step 2. Tap the message icon. In the top right corner, tap the message icon. This will open your direct messages inbox. Here you'll see all your conversations. Select the chat of the person you want to block. Step 3. Open the profile from chat. Once inside the chat, tap on the person's profile name at the top. This will open their Instagram profile directly. From here, you can manage account interaction settings. Look for the Options menu. Step 4. Tap the 3 dots. In the top right corner of their profile, tap the 3-dot menu. A list of options will appear. Select the block option from the list. Instagram will ask you to confirm. If this guide is helping you protect your space online, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We post weekly social media tutorials that keep you informed, secure, and in control. Step 5. Confirm block. Tap block again to confirm your decision. You can choose to block only this account, or block any future accounts they create. Once confirmed, that person is fully blocked. Step 6. Go to your profile. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This opens your personal Instagram profile. Now tap the 3 lines, menu icon, in the top right. Go into Settings and Privacy. Step 7. Find blocked accounts. Scroll down until you see the blocked section. Tap on it to open the list. Here you'll see all accounts you've blocked. Select the person you want to unblock. Step 8. Tap Unblock. Open their profile from the blocked list. Tap the Unblock button. Confirm by tapping Unblock again. Boom. They can now see your profile and interact again. Pro tips. Unblocking removes likes, comments, and follow status. The person is not notified when you block them. Unblocking does not automatically refollow them. You stay fully in control of your privacy settings. Smart users manage their boundaries confidently. Blocking and unblocking on Instagram is more than just a feature. It's about protecting your digital space. Knowing how to manage interactions gives you control, confidence, and peace of mind online. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and comment below what Instagram feature you want next. This is Preyo Phonie, helping you master social media the professional way. See you in the next one.